The 2027 Toyota Corolla is expected to be a game changer, offering a fresh design, new powertrains, and innovative features. Here's what we know so far: design and features. The Corolla will have a sleeker profile, thanks to a lower hood height, and improved aerodynamics. Superscript 1. It will feature a modernized interior with a 12.3-inch infotainment screen, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and a digital instrument cluster. The new Corolla will also offer advanced safety features, including Level 2 semi-autonomous driving assists and a panoramic glass roof. Powertrains. The standard models will transition to a 1.5L naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, replacing the current 3-cylinder configuration. Superscript 2. Hybrid variants will offer 150 to 200 horsepower, leveraging a larger battery and enhanced electric assist. A plug-in hybrid variant could offer over 200 horsepower, focusing on efficiency while maintaining a sporty edge. GR Corolla. The GR Corolla might ditch its 3-cylinder engine for a 4-cylinder turbo with up to 400 horsepower. It could also feature an advanced AWD system and a manual transmission. Superscript 3. Availability. The 2027 Toyota Corolla is expected to debut in 2026, with US models arriving in 2027.